Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer income from PeoplePerHour to bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your income from PeoplePerHour to your bank account, start by logging into your PeoplePerHour account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. In the My Account section, find and click on the Withdraw Funds option. You will see a list of available withdrawal methods. Select the bank transfer option that suits you best. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to add your bank account details. Fill in your bank account information accurately. Make sure to include your account number, bank name, and any other required details. After entering your bank information, confirm that everything is correct. Proceed to save your bank details. Now, return to the Withdraw Funds page. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Before finalizing the withdrawal, review any withdrawal fees that may apply. Once you've confirmed the details, click on the Submit or Withdraw button. You will receive a notification confirming your withdrawal request. PeoplePerHour will process your request, which may take a few business days. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to arrive. If the transfer takes longer than expected, check your PeoplePerHour account for any updates. Once the funds are in your bank account, you will have successfully completed the transfer. That concludes the detailed guide on how to transfer income from PeoplePerHour to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.